In this video, we are going to see how we can define the standard rates in Teleprime. Now, when it comes to inventory creation in Teleprime, there are two options. Either we can go to the masters and click on create and click on stock item to create the single inventory item, or what we can do is just click on chart of accounts and click on stock items and click on multi masters, and from here we can multi create the items. But the problem with multiple stock creation is we cannot set a standard rate at which we will sell the items. We can only set the item. Let's say my cricket bat. This is a sports item and the unit is each. And the opening quantity is, let's say I already have it 100 in stock at, let's say, main location, and the rate for it is, let's say, $20. Now the problem is, if I press Ctrl A and create multiple stock item from here, press Ctrl A. If I go back and click on transactions and click on vouchers, since I already have this in quantity, but let's say if I want to purchase it further from whatever vendor, ignore all of this details. Purchase ledger, it's very simple to create. We just enter the purchases and purchase accounts as a nature, and the item is cricket bat. Now if I don't choose any tracking number, let's not choose any order number, and the location is main location, and we are planning to buy 10 items, so it will automatically suggest the rate. Press Ctrl A and you should be able to save it properly. But if I go to sale and I'm planning to sell the same item, hit enter, sales ledger, I'll select, and it's cricket bat, not applicable. I'm selling from the main location. Now if I plan to sell 20 items, it will not suggest any rate. Why? Because this is what we are selling for the first time. So until and unless we put the rate for the first time, only then it will suggest in future. So here there is very important role of setting the standard rates while creating the inventory, so that it can automatically pop up the rates when I put the sale even for the first time. So click escape. What I'll do is, since I have already created the inventory, from the masters I'll click on alter and I can click on stock item and click on cricket bat. And I want to enable the standard rates feature. So click on configure from F12 at the bottom right here, click here, and you want to show more configurations. By default it is set to no and you will see only a couple of options, but when we click yes, you will see much more options. And from here we want to enable this, provide standard buying and selling rates. Right here, yes, press Ctrl A. Now you will see the option of alter standard rates. I'll just change it to yes, and it will ask you from what date the standard cost will be applicable from, and I'll just write here 1st of January. Let's say the standard rate for buying is 20 per unit, and you can change it afterwards. Let's say on the next year, the rate should automatically change or update it, or even after 6 months, you can put the updated rates right here. So according to dates, it will pick up what rate will be applicable now. If it is not changed, then hit enter and come on the second column. And from here, we will mention the standard selling price. So 1st of January. And the rate is, selling rate is standard at 25 each. And again, you can put different rates that is applicable from specific dates. So let's say every year your selling price is updated, you can update here and it should automatically pick up the selling rates. So press Ctrl A and now let's see. So press Ctrl A and just remember to press Ctrl A again. And now let's see. I'll just click on vouchers, go to the sales and try selling the same item. I'll just choose cricket bat here We are selling it from the main location, and the items that we are planning to sell is 10. It is now suggesting the selling price as a standard rate even without entering the sales for the first time. We are entering it for the first time, but still it is suggesting the rate. And that is very important and very time saving, especially if you are continuously updating the rate after 6 months or a year. So you can standardize the rates for both the cost and the sales price. So that's how you can work on the standard rates in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.